Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to clean rust off a saw. Now, some of the things you're going to need are some paper towels, something to put down on your surface, such as this wax paper, a toothbrush, old toothbrush, good thing to have, and some fine sandpaper, such as a 240, 300, or 400 sandpaper, and I recommend some WD-40. So we've got a back saw here that has just had some rust accumulate on the sides and the top. So in cleaning this, what we want to do is we want to just take some of our WD-40 and just spray the surface. And then some of the loose rust you can get off with just a toothbrush. Now, if it's some rust that's been building up over a period of time, then just this is a little sanding sponge, fine 320 grit sandpaper. You can use regular sandpaper. But if you use this, then it very quickly will remove a lot of the surface dust, and it'll also work that WD-40 right down into the metal, which will also help to protect it from further rusting. Now, if you don't have any WD-40, you could use just a lightweight oil, like a 3-in-1 oil that you might have around the house. Whenever you have any trouble with getting a little rust on your tools, just a little spray and a little bit of rubbing. Then we take this paper towel. You can see it just kind of pulls all that rust right off the surface. And you don't need to do any real vigorous sanding with it, because most of the rust is just building up on the surface. So you can see just a little bit of WD-40, a little bit of sandpaper, you can take the rust right off your tools. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to remove rust from your saw.